Welcome back, guys. Today we will talk about date time conversion. As you can see in my tutorial title, date time to string conversion, string to date time conversion, and date subtraction from date time in Python. So let's we start. First we will talk about converting date time to string. Here you have to import date time module, and as you can see we are using strip ftime function to convert our datetime variable to string. Here I am using mdy. You can also use dmy, ymd, whatever you want, and output will be like this. And second one, converting string into datetime. Most of time we use string to convert datetime variable. So here I am using strip time to convert a string variable into datetime. So output as you can see. And the third one, subtracting days from datetime. Here we are using time delta function to subtract days from datetime variable. As you can see, days is equal to days to subtract, as I mentioned 7, and the function will subtract the datetime minus 7, and output will be like this. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Bye bye.